All right, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be adding and subtracting rationals. This is the first day of it. We'll spend at least 2 days, if not three. First, we just need to be sure we know what to do with fractions. So anytime they have the same denominator, we can subtract or add or whatever this operation is and keep the bottom. So I got 9 minus 1, which is 8, over 2, reduce that to 4. If you don't have a common denominator, we got to find one. So our common denominator is going to be 9. So I'm multiplying by 3 on bottom and top here. So I get negative 7 ninths plus 6 ninths. Negative 7 and 6 make negative 1, so negative 1 ninths. The least common multiple is the same idea as finding a common denominator. We want the smallest thing that can go into both of those. So the smallest thing that can go into 2 and 6 is 2. The smallest thing that can go into x and x squared is x, and then just a y. We don't have a z on both, so we're done. When we have something like this with binomials and trinomials, we factor, so this is difference of squares. Then number 5, we just have 2x minus 9s, so the only thing they have in common, x minus 9. Okay. Number 5 is just a factoring review. Remember sometimes that we'll have to factor stuff before we can do anything else, just like on last night's homework. So we can take out a 3 and an x. I'm left with 2x squared minus 7x minus 4. Okay, and then when you do the magic method there, or you can do guess and check, you know 2x times x is x squared. We know we got factors of negative 4 that have to add up to negative 7 here, so I'm going to do negative 4 here, positive 1 there, and that's my answer. All right. Now here's where we're really getting at here, 6 through 11. This is what we'll be doing. This is what your homework is all about. Those first ones are just kind of a review. So these have this common denominator, so that means I can just combine the tops and keep the bottom. So bottom's 2w, and then here I got 5w minus w, that's 4w, then 1 minus negative 5, so 1 minus negative 5 makes 6. And then if you see here, each of these numbers is divisible by 2. So 2w plus 3 over w. Okay? Anytime they don't have a common denominator, we have to find it. So common denominator here is going to be 21a. So 21a is our common denominator. That means I'm going to multiply by 3 on top here and on bottom. 3 on top here, 3 on bottom. So I get 6a minus 15b minus 3a. Let's see, that's plus 12b. And I put myself in parentheses just because, just because I know that I'm going to be subtracting and doing all that. Oh, I multiplied by 3. What am I doing? It doesn't mean multiplying by 7. No one said anything. Didn't even did. I couldn't hear. So sorry if I said something. Haha. YouTube joke. Plus 28b. There we are. There we go. 21a. So we're subtracting. So 6a minus 7i. That makes negative a. Negative 15b minus 28b. That's going to be negative 43b over 21a. And that's it. All right. Let's go to number 10. All these work the same way. On this one, if you factor out a 2, so I'm now left with m plus r. And then this one has m plus r. So the only thing we're missing is a 2. So you just multiply by 2 and by 2. Okay. Same here. On this one, factor out a 7 and a w, and now I'm left with w plus 3. So this one needs a w plus 3. So multiply w plus 3 on the top and on bottom. Okay. So do those. I think those are pretty easy. Now we get to the factoring stuff on number 10. You have to factor the bottom first. So we get a minus 3, a plus 2, plus 4 times a minus 3. My minuses aren't showing up. There we go. So now you can see that this one is missing the a plus 2. So we'll multiply this by a plus 2, multiply this one times a plus 2. So when we do that, we distribute. So I got 3a plus 4a plus 8. Well, 3a and 4a make 7a. So I got 7a plus 8, and then a minus 3, a plus 2. Alrighty, that's about it. If you want to try number 11, pause it, and then I'll show you the answer. Here's your chance to pause. Paused, cool. And number 11, there you go. Where's our answer? Number 11? Yeah. Good. Crap. Sorry, this is awkward. I did number 11 earlier. Oh, there we go. X plus 5 over 4, and then 3x minus 2 over x plus 1. Okay, there's all my work. Feel free to pause it and kind of work through it yourself. You got to do some magic method there and do all that and distribute the negative. Okay, good luck. See you later.